Hello, I am Dr. Girija R. Warrier. I am a consultant in Radiology and Fetal Medicine Department at Institute of Fetal Medicine, Kolkata. Today I will be discussing a very important topic, which is the cervical length assessment during pregnancy. Cervix is an organ that is situated just below the uterus, above the vagina, and it is the cervix that helps to contain the fetus in the womb till term. If there is any decrease in the length of the cervix, or there is an increased laxity of the cervix, then there is a second trimester miscarriage or a preterm labor. Any delivery that happens before 36 weeks of gestation is called a preterm delivery. So, in a female who has a past history of a second trimester miscarriage or a preterm labor in her last pregnancy, we need to do a cervical length assessment in her during her present pregnancy. Now, according to the international guidelines, we prefer to do a cervical length assessment in all pregnant women when they come for a scan as early as 11 to 13 weeks of pregnancy, when she comes for her first trimester combined down screening, and once again between 16 to 22 weeks when she comes for her early anatomy scan or anomaly scan. Now, cervical length measurement can be done by transabdominal route or transvaginal sonography. We prefer the transvaginal sonography because it tends to be more accurate. Now, cervical length as measured by transvaginal sonography, if it is less than 25 millimeter, we call that cervix as short. Now, how does it help us? When we see pregnant mother with a cervix less than 25 millimeter, we consider her at a higher risk of a preterm labor. So, we initiate her on a vaginal progesterone, or we put in a cervical circlage. So, by doing these interventions, we can help the pregnancy to reach a better outcome. So, in conclusion, cervical length assessment during pregnancy is a very valuable test and can be done combined with the other usual routine pregnancy scans which are done in all fetal medicine centers and radiology departments. And I think we must make it a routine practice to do it very judiciously and very accurately to help the fetus attain a good outcome. Thank you very much.